abusuafo emamu nyina kwa ba bi me braso se twetwe mai mu nkomo sem di kan e ka kire mu no ne nkomo na ye twetwe no amanfo se de ye kokensam yi anhwe ye be ma ye dimbone pa wa mama e wo ye mfefo anim enti ye nhwe ne yie corruption any kokensam no e ya doso wo mai mu free SHS yes next year nyame ya adoma e be sha ase ye bisa se de ye nyina ya dwene e be kan fua na ye de ya adwuma anase the aban person ye no opposition be ka se o mpene anase aban be ka se an ya ba be je free musem e be kwa koye nchinyiwa hyewa na wonu ye nsema e bobo so bi ene anopai e wa ha sei TK oma fimi krom papa we ye abrewa bubu ashi em se mire na ye kan ye na mana kai ni krom pa ono odi we say by now text messages e by ni nyina no ye besre mo na ye de beto ho na Kofi besan ba bim ni abobo so nti mfa chen se ye ntumi amoso amamo and then if next week konyame ya adoma from Monday esa bro nya nti ye makwan na ne ye nya daje kwa na to Christmas card ye kwa ko ma obi nti no se wo Christmas message bi apesa de ma obi a obetumi asane ya ba ye bebo so amani age nti no monamfo no ma amenom nya se ne susi nti wo nkokro mo ba o de ba kitikiti bi na wabana finshia pa na yenso so yakenkan bonipakro ni din nyina na wabo atu ase o AK na de asoso na waka be bi cross so owo na ya chia na mawo ni nyina no ye de chemu free because UTV no it's all about you na yegusu kasa yemfasa akwanya we se nsuso na yema yankasa yenua yempani ye papa yedmom pani ura eneso fori sapon wahwere wo sia wo bro fori kafra ba be jamo wonim se wo ho ma ho nti eno ho asema no nti fia da be na chese na kura edane to ho no be se na wotwenie nti ye be kwa akojam no de mpese meka tie betumi de adwenche ba 144 na no pay kwabna kokko wa ha honorable Henry kwabna kokofu Bantama MP honorable akwaba
enua
apombo ko de
boko lawyer
ye twa unua so nkomo de be sha ase
okay
2012 election emsa asemba ko ene na ye kese pa ye free SHS na yigina yenim ebe du ebi kura se na do kura nyo na de ba but yin se during the campaign no na MPP mo theme ba ko na emu du pa no be ya chinye bebre na waban se free SHS no ono kan se obetototo ni me bia ansa se 2015 budget ay debre mo parliament mate se maye nhihye ya kire se 2015 free SHS no baso na de nka ba be ya obi aye de se se ne kwan so ano no
yes la tike mamendi emma watiefo ne nuanoma ehwe odwumade nyina achi na no kwesiada nyame ye yadom New Patriotic Party ya flag bearer na adu danko Akufo-Addo one ne hokafo na nia odina chire ye Dr. Bawumia Anso ne hokafo ye papa former president J. Akufo party leadership chairman Afuku edano na fi other contestants omukopre flag bearer ni bi yewura Alan Kojuchre Martin Adenimo
Asabi
yes me speaker honorable Jogate ne Apreku honorable Apreku ya papa yenyina akoi the party for the asida komenya me na unim ye na ni kan se asenti ana da so ne se nya wodi abedrini what the Lord has brought us.
Okay. And international to Ebenezer
na eho ana sofopon professor Inkasafo. So nim say Anglican sorry nyina West Africa na da no ana Kumasi nso so Archbishop. Unim say me Anglican ni
minimum meso ma me Anglican ni
they call St. Cyprian's Anglican Boys School enti Fantini Town Yarawa kwada pa na zongo
okay to Anglican ni mapa ECM
so so minimum enti yade asida koma nyame no chechire mu di enti a Ebenezer na bae na brain enti what be some question oni apeni akwaba
chama akwaba
mama congratulations ada
program na
was one cause Kabisa was awesome, but I much about Swakabasa. Chama one aba. Jama Kwaba.
Export to me.
Madam Roma.
Yeah, Manugu, I used to. Nah, so beside me.
Yeah, free SHS. Free SHS begins in 2015. 365,000 day students to benefit. And the front page, the National Democrat.
Another guide, page 7. I see how baby. I say, are there to teachers boycott classes?
There be free SHS.
I me the free honor.
Oh, sir.
Me the free honor. Say, we say young para o roka. O person this apampemna. We di kind issue.
But bound so here is also baby na ka no ho ane.
Well. Enti afedie. Or how near mani hu na education sector no mu no. Afedie ya toto ne ma nyina awie. Afedie free HS ebetumi abaso ana. Ene pepa mu. National Development Planning Commission.
Yeah.
Omudi abase ye suku sem yade a enya na omkrado omde koko free sro. Ye graduates na eba out of our universities no. Omso omu ye half baked.
Yeah.
Enya de a so ani. Yanko ye chibake 2012 campaign message. Nanado danko ekufuado. Ose me menya ni so ade hunu. Abofra biara organa ha. Esese wonya akwanya na okosuku kwa up to secondary level.
Yeah.
Na me abaya me serve wo mu bi na ye wura je ekofo ye president. Ye bo modern ma directive principle of state policy e wo constitution mu a esese access to education. Esaka free compulsory education, basic education. Otu hu anamon. Ene say esese ye make sure say nkwala se edidie ene akohoma boy de man nkwala ko school ana ye sunti duadea enu tini awofu ntimi for man ko school dia ne aba ne ben hihye ne ama nkoda aduane free school feeding program afi ben hihye ne ama free ride ye kofo ba asese no metro transit dia ama na afi a teacher for na e wo center no ya hwe won yiedie na ya make sure say niam a wo mu de be ya adwuma e wo classroom teaching and learning logistics be available enti kofo aban etu ho anamo ana e di free be mu na kofo ado say ye di we nyina agu akwam na e be take off na be ya adwuma de a na hu be hia say the next level e secondary education nkola bebre na me bantam street so bi na mkran krom de ohia ne ohaw papa bi ni maami bi mpatuwo nti ana sike ni fie ni adwuma ase ye nti abofra na sese ko wo school onya akwanya enti mema ban ye behwe na kwa biara a ye benya sika ana ye befa ye de be quickly NDC force abre no mu wa bem bra bontina bebu hu akonta me hwe wo be dey enye possible. How do you found it? They chased Nana Akufo-Addo to London. BBC interview se BBC fo musa no kwa kro obefa so a obe fande ana ado se Ghana fo na mseme ya mum timiduru Ghana meko obeduru ya de dikuta enye ye wo ka no kwa free education be kakra beka so obema free way obeye way enye ye ekwan be ana ado nya abotre afi de ne magugu akwa eno so msi afere I said the oil revenue Sasem we dey esese da kromo mam kwan pa na betena na eka oil ni sika no any public interest and accountability committee na ye mia ne kon aye ku no
yes fe no piak
me baby oil sika na ya nya no ana ye benya no esese abofre biara benefit wo mem anya hwe kra ye de num bi hwe no suku a ebeboa ye se da bi itwa na Akufo-Addo adapa eduro ba bi no wonu omu kosia to say dem niminu ya sia ya anya free education na abeka ade am ntimi nye take a program so makano 18th time me sanka bi mo san recordment o me say Ghana ye how any amani huna ye hu ye solutions to our challenges ye go back to IEA debate 2012 IEA debate or tamale na yem play back na questions ya ye busa contest ayi sabre no candidates ni nyinara obia no di ye obia ni suade hunu obia tiri mu po na yen tena se as a nation na disregard enya de owa ba mu ni de owa ba mu ye fa no pieces and we ni akeka mom we will solve our problems yen kɔ ne yen kɔhwɛ anu di ye ni ani suade hunu a na na adodan kwa kufu ado de to akwan mu yen kɔhwɛ papa Dr.
Abu Sakara
na no di ye a ode to akwan mu wode toto na na ado de
na won kan Hassan Ayarga so nkan on so
da bi on do okobo wa
on so bi tu da
ono de okobo wa okoye concert okodi agro such an national national important
no obo wa
yes ye nyina hwe no television so and say ye betena ho bio ne de ye man e be hye nipa ana ye be so sa nipa omu ni anisuade hunu no omu nya that serious ye de ne ye de o man be hye omu say neara let us go back that day Nana Danko Akufo-Addo talked about free education. Na ya yire no ya kan de be kan fa ho ne o sanya kukuduro gina so ka se me da ho gina mu.
Question we be say na nya legitimate. Say be bisa say
perfectly legitimate. Perfectly. And me di kan ka say before so be bisa so be nya sika re cross say oil revenue. Part of it can be used. Before crash will be said, no account. Now, you can see, should you say, ye President Mahama Kebi? I see a ye, and you're possible, not now. Need be about 20 years, 30 years. Wokai Leokran, Honorable Leokran, Minister of Education. Yeah. Where is he? He must bow down his head in shame. He said, no, read this out, we know.
He said, on your Minister for Education.
Or your Ghanaian, or your former leader, or your leader, wherever he is now. Angel Bia will be. Now, this is what his president is saying. And at that time, what he said. And the now who metikra woman say, oh, see school die answer. As I said, your teacher for answer. As I see a way answer. And you be a school down be. We told them, so when Kwame Nkrumah, former first president, or they free education about the 3 northern regions, not school then be any ho. But the name Jinemu Abisine, Amanuanum Bebre benefiting. Your brothers and sisters are who benefited from free education up north. Surprisingly, we're telling us, the whole Ghanaians, including Akufo-Addo, say, and you're possible. And you're too ambitious.
And they say MPP for Monije.
Oh, you're near the other. And I may catch it say. Then we should go back. Then I say, you peace. You go back to IE. Now collective because anya Hong Kong na Akufo-Addo chira adwene adwuma the economy, how to run the economy, how to diversify the economy, the so-called transformation na o makaka Gordonsburg economy and import. Akufo-Addo gave out how he was going to be able to do it. You better transform the economy na you be petrochemical industry farm so sad and has been saddled with corruption and all that. Akufo-Addo said, say, up north, it developed from the transitional zone, who free a Tebubu, a Kwakofakin Tampo, that belt, a far northern part of Volta, that's Bronafo there, Asante and a Tebubu north and all down that belt. I said, Northern Development Fund. You had $1 billion of oil money, be seed money. Now, you build a fund. Now, industrial, you use her as an industrial base. As I said, agriculture, you mechanize it. Breed them, a bit bow on board. You bury the energy up north.
Honorable said, the opposite say, Moka free SHS.
Yes.
Na say, nay, say, Abana Baba, dear. Yes. And then now a buying sign cofa and some more kind
exactly. And someone another Danko Akufo-Addo kikainina. Because it means that we had a package. It means that we knew what we really was about. No, now the vision no. The niso adi hunu no. Na ya tenase ya hwehwe hunu Ghana ye hawo ne bia ye ko energy sector. He get ochrai kwampa you.
And no dey me fi say bia if be next year ko no. You be gada agia sen ba behwe saa ne ma no biem. Because you be sen na prepare for election. But okase mamati as you say now ye nyina ya agia to mu say free SHS na face the way to go. Enti ye nyina ye be di akire sa. Is that not?
There may be the other dimension of it. What do I know beka? Beka so obeye. Kufwa buying the National Health Insurance Scheme by. That time no more opposition. Boycott. See any possible. Ye jina swa the year de buy. Ye de buy ye no. Ibo a campaign 2012. No, so okay. What the National Health Insurance abakra. Mo short changing Ghanaians. Every year Ghana for your premium. Yeah ba. Kufwa na bom trimo thing. Yeah, I care for you. Me, Professor Atamels, me be president of Ghana. I care for you.
One term.
Utuya ba kupe, uwiase, utuya bio. I say, hey, your medical, your test, your chicken, 1 term premium payment. My team anye, ya moba 2 years no so maguno. And there is a track record of the Bekas yebeye. What don't sabakwa kusum dear? Who bet me a yo? Who one is wadi no? The thing is not your baby. I don't know what tears yet. I don't know we need GDA womb. But for politics,
in spite of the fact that our banks will see 200 senior secretaries, we see also we see 73 or much last year.
Last year,
no open Emma free no Emma because now you can admit
they can't do it. I don't know baby. We need to see you. You should come to us.
Mammy Mr. Chairman, we say quite on first or mobile free SHS begins, but as an chairman by the TK, your friend Kaku T Pole wouldn't say a basis brain. Book and research allowance na ye call home strike no yentua yo TK manage mo program no pa monkoso na find that it can be about recruitment or immigration mu okay right okay and say chine ya kan ho asem e wa ha say other text messages about the say chine na ya kan ho asem ti chairman TK unua say or doubt say dia enye mo idea mo betumi aye 2 we raising issues say e dey na asesa a fedi 2 years kura my fedi aban aye ani abre because mo crop for attack free SHS concept no nti die be na asi a fedi ye nya ho ne ma nyina na e na say 2015 ye be free SHS no
tike mi chia mi nua na awone wona wo hwe anepe
yo
na onua wakasa pa o na no we free there time I work at free SHS no. In so free SHS or as papa but a ben gradual. And
they part of no so attack
the base because the basic knowledge because in never be or in place and sana at be free SHS attack near the policy bay.
But the general impression I nipa nyae and they say
want to more
I say
I you just about one
okay tape bi no
there's no free lunch yeah you can't attack because the concept the way over you know it was not feasible.
Oh okay
it was
not
feasible
oil money
orba and what since I can show the this here at Wobo gas pipeline on stream.
Yeah, gas.
You are going to save a lot of money, $650 million a year. See, you create space.
So it means there's someone more power and castle and Kobeyo.
TK, this is a high court. TK.
And I mean, come on for say, and you know your boy. Unfortunately, oh sorry,
yes, or they you put in place certain basic structure. Interest a community day school, free, a big critical. See here, Nyamin charge. 73. Most of them are about 70
more, yeah.
70% completion.
Oh, sir.
Oh, 70% completion.
Okay.
Right? By next 2-3 weeks, no, another 23, by at least, no, if even by 2016, the fact that you to me at least 50-60%, no, or you are there, or cheddar, a boy a share, no, years ago, because not naturally, you cannot. Rome was not built in a day. Until SHS, no, yeah, what's the bear, no? The way they were going about, no, because one year calculation, one calculated how much. It's okay, I go for the Oko land no be so, no, or to the Obi fiance, or be figures or man, so it wasn't adding up.
Anyone na mo to na no.
No, because as a baby beer, our them are cost. Actually, how you are going to fund it? And at that time, no argument don't put it up. No, it was not feasible. Now, na mature there. Ye dama petrochemical infrastructure or can. Ye we are going to free a lot of money to go into the system. Until where the time we can now start next year, no, with 350,000 students on the gradual process. That's gradually.
365,000 day students.
That's right.
Benefit free.
Free. So your policy of gradualism, no, it's taking place. On here as a beer, young to me, you share about there, you bear no on a gradual basis. And
and creative problem.
I have a problem.
365,000 out of a lot.
Yes.
And you know, then the debate now, so I can say we don't benefit pilot. No,
that's a day students. Day students, no, at least it's manageable. Boarding school, no, a different ball game. And one, that's day students, no. Waboko school free, and that is even to encourage those underprivileged now. One to one boarding schools, no. They can. That is what the target is. More can more brother for na one to one. That is the whole idea of the SHS.
So that say at least more access, no, because a community.
That's correct.
And because a day no so no. Say emphasis says will be say ni kuro be ni ho a wenye bi ho. On two crime the burden of say a pesca could be
boarding school trunk and the policy, no, we are just follow your policy, no. You anything different that Minister of Education on my signal about 6 months ago. On my signal that this project of free SHS will come on stream. And what to on your that is why by end of the year 75 now community schools, it will come on stream. By the middle of next year, no, another 50 will come on stream. So we can afford to give the service per day. And I don't think there's anything untoward that I mean about economic policy. As for Georgesburg economic policy, no, me and you, whether Akufo-Addo, whether Mahama, there, our economy, no, we become exporters of raw materials and importers of finished. That is the basic Georgesburg economy. Our exporters of raw materials and importers. And there, that is why this year Ghana, Abano, all take the relevant steps to cure at least, if not all, to cure rice import, rice imports. Sugar factory. We have the basic they say there for so many years. More okra foam no. Yes, I don't see why we should go back to IEA tapes to go and get MPP. MPP, what problem there? They don't say anything good about anything.
Oh really?
Where I thought that about plot the SHS. Let's take it for granted. They want war policy. No, sabota fact. You go. Let's assume for. I thought you come and say that about plot government, for taking the bold steps. But now you to me, since you're the spanner, and that's your will no. Then you to me,
because of my example. Say NHIS, are problematic. In fact, Minister for Health, Krana can say they are suffocating funds.
Any problem now? Problem for NHIS, you know that when the economy is facing challenges now, that much VAT never collected. You are not maximizing it because a lot of things are not at the moment, or even UK, their national health is facing the same crisis because population grows. Time I watch us, you know. What's in a one access NHIS? No. What was the numbers? The numbers were about 2-3 million. Now you talk about almost about 15 to 20 million people are more accessing NHIS. Naturally, it is going to face challenges. But how to resolve the issues? No, and into process, on collapse. On collapse, that's what collapse. Oh no, let us give thanks to God for the small messes. But here, no, they be but now I mean, they be no microphone. One day they be finding a hole instead of cover a hole in the way. They be I don't think that is ignore the benefit of our country.
Okay.
We should be positive. This is a very positive step Aban will take, and I'm saying that because we are going to get the same oil money no Kano. We are saving some from importing gas, importing crude. So there will be space.
Until we should take it from you, sir. There is every assurance, sir. And yeah, the collapse said all cannot.
No,
it will work.
It will work. NHS hasn't collapsed. Tiki, this year Abbas never collapse for Ghana. Ghana is working. They just tell me Abbas in as those about the Ghana work. Here, Ridge Hospital. Now it's taking even shape. About my NHS providers, at least to reach, we have space to put people there. Echo North, up Tamale, all over the country. Development is going on. But if we are not in isolation, Ghana, we are not living in isolation. Every country in this world will face challenges.
Okay, so 365,000 days students to benefit. Question about when me beside say, Momo dear, most more dear. Saboka say free and memo 2 minutes, then we go to the next issue. No, is it free or free as in what? Because free because sometimes you see free. And so when we're not hidden,
no, your books. There are certain services.
Some of them is so.
Just 2 minutes.
2 minutes. The resources are not with me. The spotlight is on them.
Okay.
To balance on the right.
But I'm about parliament.
I'm commenting on. I see BBI is running. CCA. With television. I see CCA. Tobe afede nana unim so a financial guru I say financial policies, monetary policies are killing private industry, private sector. There is a failure and I young ground to a halt answer. This NHIS Kumasi Metro Director Medical or your press conference now you so damning now newspapers mo de ko share baby kitu baby virtually the NHIS scheme is on its knees. Virtually. We are not young, as I said now, near China total collapse and son
on its knees in terms of infrastructure, and as personnel, and as send Panoco Hospital, Onya access. We go to now or more offices be brave.
Offices no ho fa nipa momo ye adwuma
and to da bi ni mo ko ho ahomachi no mo ko queue for card
no service providers the ono di nro neighbor ama se me yare na me ko de be ma me o ma jaye oton titiru religious hospitals no o ma jaye
because o mo sign by
ne sanko bi se bi pharmacists for na di nro neighbor no o ma jaye o mo si aban de o mo ka o mo nyuma egu banks chesi wo mo and sana hospitals no nso so egu. When him says, when what is happening? She said electricity for nam no mkuta prior no mucha hospitals no in Kanium.
And for non-payment of bills.
That's it. And you know, abayin na ise kutia mawo, abayin tia. Ana omuso so adwuma omo ye no NHIS capitation ya de abeto omo so. Enti yasese ama omo. Enti omo ye den no matua, enti omo as aban say so omo come back to cash and carry. Enti capitation no wakapo ayina we eso utua no nti wasese ne pepepe na ade abre no wan fa electricity de anka ho wan fa nsuo de anka ho ni nyina nso ya service provision omo nso so dan aka isi fo ani abre te se kotomoja nsuo fo yi wudi 2 minutes pe ni abetwam nti no omo nya dan no ma operate nti in that case no now with the national health insurance ne ba osemempe for sikabra ansa na mahwew that is it. Na bio ketwa baako
just 1.1441 bit media been say about media no so yes
bio na menu e ka se eseke boy ensem ma won ne why not de ko ofru du apade e piano tiko won dey say ana e piano to no timi afru du apa but we are saying say mo was such a bad record say ade bia enfri mu no mo ntimi na mo na so nye mama national health that be free education and pass and free education ya de mo de shamanum na mo mfe kan na mo ni mu kura na mo office ya wo kai ma ya bi na o mo do mo ya advert o mo say pay free education bi any abetumi aye adwuma hwe ma power for me obo me TV advert any abetumi aye adwuma hwe ma they are telling you they are telling the government say they don't want go and play back that video we say power for no man can kire mo say o mu pay free education bia o be ye adwuma hwe o ma let us go by that
chairman sa video ni bebo
yes see e be ni
but ye ba obeka say
yeah mo kan e bia bebo na sa campaign we dey be do
omo man ka so mo pe graduate no so mo pe pra omo be tuma hwe
but yes community
okay
yes ye nuanu ma wo
ti wiase wo tu adubone a no hwe ni ye edi a wo be kwa kosia
what we do wi man trust
o say omo boy abaso we are ade here no on yes something ekede here we gave reasons and how to do it steps no you take relevant steps no and it is good there here nuanum 365,000 next year no obenya opportunity to further the education that is the most important
thing no bantam am ho chalk what teacher for the throat e be ni ho MP we there that's the point that's the point so
part of your job
free education every academy say me MP no me na me first sika no go tia sika no so kra won fa me get fund na
sometimes mo can assume to say you come bantam sisi o mo ko school
omo school that this teacher need the sika
David
no me talk computers and me coach ama wo any other
it's your social responsibility
yes I agree
to don't complain about that
I agree but me no go school no me no time me go school no na MP bin so no pa no abechiche talk
na population ya
oh
na population ya
na your resources ya
me school am
Jerry Rollins
25
Jerry Rollins government when you your revenue that
don't
we raise issue bin person we address
yes
ye nyina gitum say for some time now aban enyuma bebre ho am face challenges there na chese sa school ya ebe e do so enkoba ne sa ne beduru bi asisika kra e wo se e de ba na emma because all say free it means what fasa aka afi the amount be kwa e betuma ma free na di mu na ma afi na ye twa ye ho gi free parents ho
no tk e on the obo amount obe need every year what be free SHS no more classical example gas infrastructure yeah complete the whole idea is that it is going to be self-sustainable other derivatives babum at least for the first year we are saving $30 million.
You mean say you say benye sika
at least government was a conscious effort there that much can every year about a free SHS can film na that na wato until I believe that it's sustainable.
It is sika a problem.
It's sustainable.
So you say buy because the best sika no be
and the obeko team wa.
Well, 144 for you can free SHS ho asem. Na it's next year nyame ya adoma abansi will roll out free SHS 365,000 day students and also be benefit. Enti eno ho asem no ho no ye be ya na yiye ana say ye be sensen no eno ye question ye pese ye bisa no ho komo na ye dia be sabre no ona bokokofu yasma bi sa cocaine asma bi ye so owura na of phone e frɛ ye say abaye bi ba ye man nko ne ade no ya che no na utie graphic report na o se de na nwanwane se o free Nigeria Lagos na ba enti omo so muntimi hu se onim se ye pena na se na but I mean that's the story say ya che no now okay other newspapers na mo say sa cocaine semi ya ababo mamu anhwe ya ebe magana dimbone pa ewo amanone enti no ho asem na sese ya babetwe say abedu na ba na de say o say odifo enti yesi January ye de ne sentence ebe ma no but obi nim organ ha say ya omonso so no enam so mo che obi nim say is it a done deal and I say ya chi we say na wi a no agi atum no omonso so mo de no sign na bi say kwakoye but once again the cocaine smart about 2 and mobility. You need to
take me name so be nyada agena ko ahwe we kakra man ya.
Ne wa hin.
EC is broke.
EC is broke.
Apologize Christ out. Electoral commission.
Next year dey aka.
Next year.
O said next year kwa koto aba.
Adade o ya kwa yi district assembly elections ya koto ana o muniska ana Sikana ayina dino register no me ye no aye bogus no let's see two go no woman says o my sika nyina EC is broke yan hwe na ban on resource
who parliament na say na releases come on
yo
yi si beka say ya besike
yan kan cha perejana ani aperejana o twa control part aban sika ma
parliament na recently no
I am not saying
no beka say ya man sika nyina me buana
I agree nyame na make
Chairman can we say according to him but for the financial challenge facing the EC the district level elections would have been held long ago. What you are saying, it may incur costs and so okay, all right, okay. I say Chairman Kobia Farija made this disclosure during a meeting with the leadership of the New Patriotic Party in the Ashanti region last week. Okay.
Back to your question.
I want to correct this impression because about 2-3 months ago, 2-3 months ago, yes, in Uncle Bayer's statement say the government has released all the money to run the election, this election, okay, maybe now.
Yes, directed to EC.
No, we should go and check it up. Maybe a newspaper sometimes why wouldn't it?
Oh, anyway, now we can cocaine and then campaign arrested and all that. What your stories in India? And the make sure I see my papa no, that would know, or no na OAD Rabano. But people need to say, on one casane na dear no, this summer Rabano.
Into a campaign.
Antihono, as no be a OAD, no sooner on one casana or campaign. Won't you say? Good. But the point is, Sadi by a politics in the Pine Cuisine. Many opening naval captain as a former NACOP chairman, Senator Punumu be your heart. It's here no papa. And that is one single manner. Me bunu ye papa power Juma way, intelligent network in Ejuma. Now, on Pekasapi, this is about the first time or second time I met T and said, Waba public Bekasa. It is for Papa not to have come public. Now, what Bekasa now what D afa politicians politicians wa bemu. No muni abemu keke omi ministers. So we do o manon batuto sans and semimu. No mu be interfere was I enuboni dwadie ho ene kira yakochiri wo mu papa na di hu ya opie papa akopim sa afede dissolve board no na me sure say other board members no are even more better bia oyo mu penny no na ono the leverage no matured onim how to handle issues in tine bia waka no we krokro wa na no so kra emu oduye the import of it na say politicians a medal ewo asem no. And politicians, politicians, wa bemu. And just ministers, deputy ministers. That is his beef. And one cancer politicians here, a war opposition, and now many yanam baby ordinary. Politicians wa bemu no war response. What are their beef? Now, arrest and everything is going on here and there. Here and there, they say actually way. The only hope, and it's a politicians who stay out of this, because
from both sides, not so.
Me go to
the entire Americans are say someone among them who go for Africa, because who can say unia any muhumbia. And then now so say them baby you me one.
Lawyer
said you may be a chairman.
Lawyer can't hear me ya. Yeah, dear na, yeah, war. Majority and minority. It's on the periphery.
Okay.
Yeah. Have grown one chair baby that. Yeah, boy, go and yes, suffer. Where they are inside a seminar casa the management of NACOP and then the a seminar banner, the Puma Sibre, and no na penini free and waba and wama accuse opposition politicians. And now wama accuse politicians are. A war NDC abemu yinara. Accuse politicians omu wa abemu no more responsible positions. And accuse you. And you're very serious and dangerous. So say a politicizing issue now. And yet too much of Niameme kafa hon as an MPP ni. Now the mini NDC ni so kafa hon now defend na msubia medeto no so no obeka me say wosu obresu yebi. And no is on the periphery. But when in between the management of the situation as some na abano. Ministers and they can was also woman now so cry me busa won hwe asem ne ba no o just say obia government official bia say that ma wo mo but obia te ba bi no ka ne ope what is their interest in there omo interest in there and no ana de yesi akiri obi o yesi yebetumi aye wiase ne amanyina na mom say ya nyi hu afiri mu ne allow system no to work rule of law anya na dwuma state institutions ne ya resource won say na kwabetiwe menya jozo mo board nti se niema bi o ezo mo gine ho yagu no nti se niema bi o ezo mo gine ho animanim ya tentem na se board no se ordinary sabashasi so be de no matu anamo a it is not there and we can see say nakop as it stands now it's limping. That's the situation we are in, and no one sem nieka. Maybe I've heard people MPP time, wait time. That is on the other side of it. You bet me a giant no, easy. But the enya easy ne say inside hono ankasa mu hono politicians awura mu no mu ye aban crofo no mu na defend no mu ka we no ma be ka we na ye ma statements president na kra be ka bi City FM CEO ye chire no president no kra be ka bi and no ana nakobo chairman naval captain or former chairman this is a good board naval captain asasi jima openia onim nia oye oni na bedwaku na ote na adwuma ase enya no na we ba ya kutira kodi ni mako na mfifire be free aponchirani enti by implication
said na okoka say ye kum innocent lamb for an angry god no
exactly na won na yadwen amamfo nyina
na angry god no enti
ayo
mi hu god kwa ya angry no
yo enti asemsebe so de wabuni be na who the carpet but on that level I am saying say we are all saying say ya pamucha aba ye nyina ye boa se be ye be clean o man dini every sanse me ho oban ni a stakeholder we a stakeholder ye nyina a stakeholder we have institutions anya me pe and then you be up a year constitution ne pe ye be ba mu 2017 science institutions umbe ho no ma ye adwuma
2017
jambo ya ye be ba mu
January 7 ba mu
ye be science institutions
okay uni asre wo so ti nim se nani age ma wo se yeah nani age se ni nu ba mu
me ka say okwa election me so be win ne ke
anu wa win
this
se wo so be ba mu
onu
so nani age
enti critically institutions must be allowed to work. Politicians hands off. We can continue or we can stop. But inside no, you guys are meddling in there. Foreign Minister Kebi. Communication Kebi.
Ansana Amumaka. When candidate point ya adwen say may mfa nye amanyosem because nipa na omokoye omade no omonye necessarily amanyofo.
With him. That is my problem I have with amanyosem no. Amanyosem no nia ekum asem na ese no any inside the interference na papa naba captain e kan ho asem
enye de ye no touchline no
that be oh na no de na ayi ye kwahwe ball na ye bobo no nche ne ye twi samamoni ade a na player no so twetwe no okosha no samamo no ene no any bearing dia
NDC da ben na Ghana for nsa beka omusika asase we de court nti nye ne beka won so TK kachira no aboko kufu se o kasa papa bibia ye step by step nti school no kakra sa beba Peter also be campaign man na do bi se onim se ono de o kan obeyo TK mpese be bo honorable for me enu ya omaba program so omoye bo say offer omo say my two favorite politicians on your program o match they say omo enim de pa. All right, thank you very much. CK, UTV, you are the best. Bam, Abrewa Buashe, you Abrewa so Bam Kronebi. Chairman, cocaine. Yes, say watching you penny be. Na once more about to the amount for graphics say or curious, and they say, Ultimately, who said if I could know him, so I wanted an answer on yet, but to Obama action. I mean, that's how far it will be to say.
Take a question, they be saying the S and there cocaine no. or tarnish your image na.
Yeah.
Na honorable Kokofo ka insider.
It was insider so mu hu fra frem.
When I was say the asemi be ya oba kanope was NDC. Was Aban. Was Iraban with a diplomatic passport. Ewa inti asama woke no or necessary there Aban so then obey nano the only mubi. That occasion the foreign minister and the communication minister in the worker because it was as Samoto Aban and more so the presidency. That occasion I mean Asamano or a criminal case. Na ye criminal aspect in womb. Ne yazi ye kokofu football. Yerball football. Wow. Or a criminal case. And you better treat all cocaine and illicit drug trafficking as criminal case. Dama asemi only tarnish Ghana image. Because echo Colombia, echo Mexico, almighty America. Cocaine they be watching Crawford. Watching Crawford.
But yes, sir.
Oh, what huge one? One thing the agencies one mandate one. There one deal with the issue. They handle it. About FBI in until there was Obama. And now a friend and Obi president no album.
So that in the chama it was wrong say bra ura muate ye ka so kwa kofa no bone no. Na was ye tin free when the party ho so that obe fa ne say oye na adwuma.
You see there are two different issues here. I'm watching the no oye MP.
But
Meba
he went on the front.
Meba. And it was alleged that he was funding the MPP. Number two, all development, now the developments of why you were in Kranza North or whatever it is, was from this kind of because Makai there,
known to the party.
No, Makai there, offend Butchie. What's your Dan Butchie? But at the time, over contest for MPP parliamentary, the flag was raised. That money. Oh no!
Dan Butchie, Honorable Dan Butchie have not said so.
May not too sure of the statement, but then
because then you have to prove it because only
okay. I will
not too sure of that statement,
but I remember we have been in this political game for a long time.
But he's not here.
Okay, you're in film.
Yes,
you're in film. Okay, but this particular case, this girl, Kennedy, at Japan, because 3 years ago, she was even arrested in Holland and jailed. So Kennedy knows very well about this girl, on the movement. And back there,
we're connecting it to some other people who know very well.
Yes, that's right.
You shouldn't have gone there. I am too slippery. Because this girl, you should VIP.
Oh, as for VIP, Rebecca VIP.
SPD, diplomatic dispensation. Then you are
honorable. But honorable, sir, SPD is true Senate or team because I said,
well, honorable.
Sorry, I say yes.
Yes.
You have used the VIP before.
I meant Minusui.
That's what you see.
Who is the VIP before? Oh, NPC who is the VIP?
No. Oh, Nana Kufuado cry use VIP.
No.
I don't use it. I don't use it. Nana Kufuado does not use it.
No, me
also use
follow me leader.
I do follow leader. But minim MPP, MP sir.
Well, that is the own.
That's right. I'm just trying to the VIP and yes, so extraordinary place there.
That's
for our president.
No, there are two things. There are two things.
Okay.
There's the VVIP.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Which was constructed by President Kufuor. You got cargo section.
Because communication minister.
But
under normal circumstances, they say VIP will be but
it didn't start from NDC.
Oh,
from time immemorial. VIP before VIP every Tom, Dick, and Harry.
Oh, and is it right?
It's not right, but I'm telling you that.
And it's under your watch.
No, please.
It's under your government's watch.
Please. That doesn't mean that because you see VIP, there's government.
No, when I will call for, I
look, we have to treat this as a criminal case. Second,
I wanted in a criminal case.
Criminal.
Good. So you shouldn't have brought
no, my chance. My man
said I was careful. I left out names and.
Say, political criminal case.
TK no be a question. Man, boy, I'm watching. TK no be a question.
Senior, there's a legal
because
look, your image in Ghana is at stake.
Okay.
Because if Ghana, it could do amanone, the way a manner, because a search on. Look, into our there. These things, but in politics in film, they treat as crime.
Always.
Under
so all regimes.
Everybody we should treat as a crime.
Okay.
So that people who are said, and yet government complicity, and now MPP complicity, and now NDC complicity, so that I mean now we have to corner. You do airport
Naval captain. As I see you, also politicians in film. As one can
okay,
also politicians in film.
I
agree with you.
All right, okay. And on now say there Justice Mafisa. Chairman, sorry be so as one here kan ho asem say journalist na sole. Nka beka. Deborah Nana Yasari of Bishop School of Dance. Man, happy belated birthday from your dad, Nana of UTV. God bless you, Debbie. And Nana, do birthday. In fact, Nana Mensaka, unfortunately, Casatinti, we refuse. Mepe, Kusia create bina media mao. Obana said, but I can create free so. Bisano say, sorry, TNT.
Are you just a smart?
Sorry, I said, I
caught up a P. Also, I'm a lecturer away.
Okay.
Oil and gas.
All right.
Now, why are dear papa? Now, what should I say? Police for you, prosecution, you majuma, said the engineer, Attorney General Department. Now, Forestry Commission for to an movie last year, certificate to me present TV. Almost see you, a year you refer that young man. Now, Okoje permission, a free, fiat, Chief Justice, and a selected forestry staff, and do court training.
To say the DEP for
and you will follow suit. And I think it's something in the right direction. As I say, all relevant agencies are. A prosecution near the they should follow suit. And the Forestry Commission once again, must set a place.
Okay.
A very good thing, person.
Okay. A criminal justice system. Any other
professional.
Who's a chairman?
Oh, take care, very serious.
Solina
journalism. Some of the papers, because of Sole, no, sometimes what distort facts. What true in Yama when you point one year relevant research. Now, there media houses, or them on your policy, they're watching any of your members or the Solia. You should make sure that
you are criminalizing now.
No, yes, I was criminalizing.
Someone said I could say that bad. No, I'm not. What is solid? At this juncture, what is solid?
What is solid? Criminalizing solid.
Because daily guy they say
we can find a way to sanitize the system.
I say solid is to the journalist, as appearance fee is to the player, as per diem is to the president, as as certain allowances to board member. For Honorable Kofu Dasi, Chairman Adekye Dasi, PJ once again, this week, Yakasa about good neighborliness. Men Fenny Agro, Pontemu Awoteno, Nipa Watu Bimkumana Unifaso. I was a Unipacro. Now build the trust, one in Yonkofa, Jene number. Ebikwa BBBSC. I was so to frail, but one in your fine. Was doing a job raga hana junity, or kokana bofu. Say, yem promote good neighborliness around this time, and when you pa, ye pay him watchna, Yamia do my best and shebim, Adamunas.